हाय गाइस, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आप सबका। और आज हमारे साथ कोई बहुत खास है यहाँ पे, जैसा आप देख ही सकते हैं। वेलकम भूमि। एंड सबसे पहले तो हाउस द दुर्गा मती।
हाय, आई एम गुड। दुर्गामती भी बहुत अच्छी है, भूमि भी बहुत अच्छी है। हम बहुत एक्साइटेड है क्योंकि बहुत कुछ ही दिनों में हमारी फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली है,
यस।
11 दिसंबर को। सो फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड।
तो सबसे पहले फिल्म की ही बात मैं करना चाहूंगी, स्पेशली
चलिए।
दुर्गा मती, क्योंकि द लुक, उसके बाद द परफॉर्मेंस हमें तो टीजर में ही दिख गया कि इट इज गोना बी फोड़ू थिंग। सो कैसा पूरा ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस रहा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाउ यू गॉट दुर्गा मती?
हाउ आई गॉट दुर्गामती वाज बिकॉज अक्षय सर जो हमारी फिल्म के प्रेजेंटर है, उन्होंने मुझे कॉल किया था कि फिल्म है जो वो चाहते हैं मैं देखूं पढ़ूं। और मैंने ऑलरेडी भागमती देखी थी। और जब मैं भागमती देख रही थी, मैंने कहा यार, फॉर एनी फीमेल एक्टर दिस रोल इज अ रोल ऑफ अ लाइफ टाइम। कुछ
नो
बहुत
डाउट।
कम ऐसे किरदार आते हैं जहाँ पे आपको अपनी परफॉर्मेंस दिखाने के लिए एक ऐसा कैनवस मिलता है। And then when he told me that this is the film, I was like, my God, just a couple of months ago when I watched the film, I was thinking that, it would be great if I get a chance to do a film
वाओ।
like Bhagmati, and Durgamati happened.
तो वो कहते हैं ना, किसी मुहूर्त में सोची हुई बात हमेशा सच
हाँ,
होती है। समथिंग लाइक दैट हैपेंड
बिल्कुल,
विद यू।
बिल्कुल 100%। इसलिए कहते हैं ना, ऑलवेज हैव पॉजिटिव थॉट्स।
परफेक्ट। तो साथ ही मैं रियली वांट टू नो, बिकॉज़ व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स, यू डू इट सो परफेक्टली, बिल्कुल एकदम
थैंक यू।
डेडिकेशन के साथ एंड ऑल। और आई
थैंक
विल
यू।
से कि इन एवरी परफॉर्मेंस यू जस्ट डू एवरीथिंग अमेजिंगली।
थैंक
तो
यू।
कैसे
थैंक
कर
यू।
लेती हो इतना अमेजिंग?
यार, पता नहीं यार, हो जाता है। मतलब बहुत मेहनत होती है, बहुत सोच जाती है, पर आई थिंक इनहेरेंटली मेरे में ना वो कीड़ा है, एक्टिंग का कीड़ा है। और वो कीड़ा करा देता है चीजें। आई गेस।
Because when it comes to the Bhumi, matlab nowadays it is like, okay, it's Bhumi film, then we have to watch it. Something like
My
that.
God, thank you so much. That's such a great compliment. I feel any actor, any actor would want to create a space like this. तो बहुत सोच संभल के कर करके आई फील फॉर्चुनेट कि मैं अपनी ऑडियंस में इस तरीके का कॉन्फिडेंस जगा पाई।
So I really want to know one thing, Bhumi, because when it comes to all your characters, they have amazing sketch and you portrait it so wonderfully. So it came to you eventually, you choose very particularly.
I am choosy. I'm very choosy about the films that I do, honestly. But there's no formula. There's no like, अच्छा ये करूंगी तो उसका ये परिणाम होगा, नहीं। एक ना अंदर से एक फीलिंग आती है कि यार कर ले। एक परफॉर्मेंस होती है, एक कैरेक्टर होता है जो आपका मन करता है that I really want to portray this part, and I those are the films that I do. So far it's been a good journey. So far, touch wood, it's been very good, and fingers crossed, I feel Durgamati will just add on to the films list of films that have been loved by the audiences.
Great. So as I said, every character is a different and every character has their own shade. So coming to the Durga Mati, as we are seeing you like a Devi avatar and angry and very different it is. So
Yes.
how you prepared yourself to do something like that on screen, because it's loud also.
Oh, absolutely. I think the most preparation that I needed was that the way I usually perform is very controlled. So to be able to be out there was something that I had to mentally prepare myself for, and kind of keep telling myself that, movie, this is the sur of the film. You need to have full conviction, and that's the only way you can convince your audience as well. And that's what I did. I went in with full conviction. Whatever my director expected out of me, I did. And I had a lot of fun. It was very liberating to shout, to give so much strength and energy, and to like beat things and scare people, get scared, and
Agree.
everything that happened. There's so much that happens in the film. This is one of those rare movies where everything is there. Action hai, drama hai, comedy hai, romance hai. It's such a massy commercial entertainer you know, और usually ना आप हमेशा लड़कों को देखते हो ऐसी फिल्में करते
Agree.
हुए, you know, you'll
Yes.
usually see like you'll always, I would at times, you know, I would envy our male counterparts, right? कि यार मतलब, you know, कितनी heroism होती है इनके और machoism होती है इनके performances में, right? And ऐसा नहीं, as women we can't do that. There are just no roles written where we can do that, right? And I'm glad that I got a chance to play her because she is all those things. You know, she's larger than life. She is a hero, and I don't mean a hero in a sexist way, right? I feel
Correct.
just because of everything that my character does, everything that Chanchal Chauhan does, is very heroic.
So we were talking about the heroism in the film. So you got opportunity
Yes,
to perform something like a hero when it comes to the character, larger than life, right?
yes, absolutely.
In fact, Bhumi, in all your films, I should say, nobody can overshadow you. That is the fact.
Thank you so much. I try hard to uh, not I try hard to find films and, you know, to find characters that give me an opportunity to really, you know, वो जो acting का कीड़ा that I was talking about, कि मैं
Correct,
उस
correct.
कीड़े को थोड़ा release कर पाऊँ.
So what I, matlab, now when it comes to your films, every time you just surprise your audience ki, okay, this is something else, yeah, this is something we never ever watched previously. So what are the things you crave for always? Ki, what characters you really want to do more? Because har baar kuch alag.
यार मतलब I तो feel अभी career शुरू हुआ है, you know, I'm only 10 films old. It's only been like 5 years. I feel like I have a long, long way to go and maybe thousands of characters that I still feel that, you know, I should do and I can do. You know, acting is something I want to do till my last breath. So I can't really pick a few.
Correct. Okay, साथ ही में when it comes to the look of your show, look of
हाँ,
your film, दुर्गावती में जिस तरह से आप दिख रहे हो, so जब आप
जी.
shoot करते हो, that is something else. But when you see the teaser or a trailer of a film, so when you saw it for the first time, what was your reaction? Like how you reacted on it?
I was like, oh my God, it's full power, right? I was like, you know, also what happens is when you really watch the complete product with all the audio effects, all the visual effects, because horror एक ऐसा genre है ना that while shooting, there are a lot of things that you can't really feel, right? कहीं से
Correct.
हवा आ रही है, अब वो fear वे आपको imagine करना पड़ता है, वो sound effects आपको imagine करने पड़ते हैं,
Yes.
जो jump scares होते हैं, and when I saw the final thing, I was like, oh my God, this is really an experience. You know, it's a film that really sucks you in. You know, a couple of minutes into the film, once you enter that world, you really become a part of that world because it has like certain aspects of fantasy, horror, conspiracy, thriller. So इतने अलग-अलग layers हैं हमारी फिल्म में कि as an audience, I just feel you're constantly entertained.
And साथ ही में it is releasing on Amazon Prime. So are you missing that बड़ा पर्दा and it is not coming? It is gonna come there also.
यार मतलब see, we all are film actors, right? हम तो मतलब when for me, like a cinema experience is so unique, but at the same time, over the last few months, you know what I've realized because I've watched so many films and so many different genres on like various OTT platforms, I've realized that you can't really compare both the experiences, right? Both have their pluses and minuses, and I've really enjoyed being home and just watching like a lot of content. So मे बी कुछ महीने पहले मुझे शायद ऐसा लगता कि शिट यार थिएटर में आने वाली थी अब नहीं आ रही but it doesn't matter honestly, you know, I feel through Amazon Prime Video, my film is going to reach 200 countries. It's only going to create a larger fan base, and it's only going to, like, you know, and my work is going to reach out to more number of people. And the beauty about Durgamati is that this is a film that you should experience with your family because it's not pure horror, right? It's like a
Okay.
conspiracy thriller. So you can still have that community viewing experience with Durgamati, which I feel is one of the largest, biggest highlights when it comes to going to a theater. So, yeah, but I would yet love to watch my film on a larger screen.
What kind of reactions you are getting nowadays after the trailer released of Durgamati the Myth?
I think what's happening is I see a lot of like people on social media use like the lines of the trailer where I say "tab tak na to main jaungi na kisi ko jaane dungi," or like different.
I want to listen it and feel. Can you do it, please, please, please?
Okay, let me try. I don't know if I
I'm
can
ready.
give
I'm
that
ready to listen.
performance, but let me try. Ready? It's going to be loud.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh God, I can't even do it. Wait. तब तक ना तो मैं जाऊंगी ना किसी को it won't happen because it was so loud. I'm embarrassed screaming that much right now. आपकी जितने भी आपके viewers और listeners हैं सब भाग जाएंगे अगर मैं इतने जोर से चिल्लाऊंगी. But you know, I see a lot of people like use those dialogues, for various situations, which I find like very, very funny. At times, my mom and my sister are only telling me this when they don't want to listen to me or they don't want to do something that I've requested them to do. But I feel overall the reaction has been very humbling. Um, um, I'm still like, I've lost kind of, when you're this involved in a film, you kind of lose objectivity. That happens with every film of mine. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता है क्या हो रहा है. But because luckily because of social media, you get a great chance to connect with
Bhumi,
your.
video got paused. So वो वाला वापस से लेते हैं. When you were talking about your mother and sister.
हाँ. So even my mom and my sister use these lines कि तब तक ना तो मैं जाऊंगी ना किसी को जाने दूंगी whenever in different situations. जब उनको मेरी बात नहीं सुननी होती ना वो ये lines use करने लग जाते हैं. But I think the reaction so far has been very humbling. I'm very overwhelmed. And अब तो 11 को ही पता चलेगा कि how much have people enjoyed it. But I'm confident. I'm confident.
Great. And last question I really want to know. Nowadays,
Yeah.
very much people are active on social media and so many things are happening. Sometimes trolling, sometimes liking. So you faced something like that till now, Bhumi?
I've not really been trolled a lot till date, but I feel a certain amount of trolling all actors go through, yeah. It's a part and parcel of our life. There are days where you get a lot of love, there are days where you get a lot of dislike. And that's something that really doesn't affect me a lot because I've realized जहाँ पे प्यार होगा वहाँ पे थोड़ी बहुत बुरी चीजें भी होंगी. But for me personally, because I don't really like take trolls very seriously, I just ignore them.
That is the best part, I guess, to do. And last, what do you message want to give to all your viewers and audience? You have so many fans. तो क्या कहेंगे आप?
I think what I want to tell them is that Durgamati aa rahi hai, Durgamati the Myth, Amazon Prime Video pay on the 11th of December, and it's going to be streaming on the platform forever. So please go watch the film and tell me what you guys think of it. It's बहुत खून पसीना मेहनत और प्यार से हमने ये फिल्म बनाई है, and I really think कि आप सबको अच्छी लगेगी.
So thank you so much, Bhumi, for connecting with us, and we wish you all the very best for Durgamati the
Thank
Myth,
you.
and we are hoping for more and more such characters which will make you hero again and again and again.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bhumi. All the best.
Thank you.